Short and sweet tutorials. TV Zion doesn't work anymore. What should I use? Hey, use Cinema HD. Read my description. Look at my old videos to figure out how to get Filelinked. Open up Filelinked. Put in this code right here. Pause the video. All right, you put in the code. Let's press continue. You're gonna scroll down. It's so fucking easy. Scroll down, go to Cinema HD, click on that, and then click it again to install. Once you install it, go back to your home screen and open up Cinema HD. It'll be at the bottom of all your apps, so go look for it. And look, it looks kind of like Terrarium TV. It's super easy. Public links, I cannot vouch for. Public links, I do not use. Get a Real-Debrid account, and when you get a Real-Debrid account, go down to your settings and log into your Real-Debrid account, and there, scroll down and look for it, click log in. Get a Track TV account too, so you can keep everything kind of organized, so you have a nice little collection going that you can bring to any other app. But yeah, that's it right there. Cinema HD is a new thing. This video is being made in September 2020. So if you're watching this and it's 2021, this is probably not going to work. So yep, good luck. This shit dies all the time.